Hi everybody, DollarTreeTricia here on Wednesday. It's Tuesday, September the 1st. And I stopped by my Dollar Tree on the way home. Now it's only September, but yes, they have all their Christmas stuff out. At least the crafting stuff, I should say. I didn't see any hanging signs or anything like that, but I have found a lot of crafting stuff. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like the video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up. And if you decide my channel is something you kind of dig, you can hit the bell and you'll be notified for any time I do an update. Okay, first thing before I start showing you Christmas, I want to show you what my friend Jen and I made, I think a couple weeks ago. And now I'm not seeing my little holder that's going to hold it. But okay. Anyway, we made this 3-tiered pumpkin. And what we used to make this was the one that has the 3 separate sections. This pumpkin, the orange one, was this pumpkin with the face. And we used the other side of the thankful and blessed. And then we just used raffia. Everything's from the Dollar Tree except the paint. Yep, everything's from Dollar Tree except the paint. Super, super fun to do. And I did have some, oh, here they are. Then we made some, I haven't included mine on yet, but we took some, these are not from the Dollar Tree, the beads. We got these beads, and then I'm going to hang it behind, attach it, so then it can hang on a door or whatever. But I haven't done that yet. So that's one of the fun things we've been making. Okay, let's get going. The first thing I have is Merry and Bright. I think they might have had this last year. It's a wooden Merry and Bright that you can paint or put paper on. Super cute. Then the Let It Snow, and I think we might have had this last year too. I can't really remember. But I loved this. I thought this would be fun to go on something. I don't know what yet, but come up with something, I'm sure. Then they had these most excellent, I thought I had 3. I have 2. Stickers that, this has presents, trees, and snowflakes. These are just wood, so you would paint them or put paper on them or whatever. These are already glittered, the trees. You get, how many do you get? 4, 12. So you get 12 of these, and they're just cute. Then they also had, which I thought was fun, they had one that had the golden stars, and it had the snowflakes, and then the trees. These trees I thought were kind of cute because even if I painted them green, you see the little dots? You could put little gems on there to be the lights, or stickles. You could put that on there and they could be the lights. So I thought that'd be fun. That could go in on a project or in a scrapbook album. They had Ornament Filler, and I bought a bunch of this because I can never find, when I do 4th of July things, like shaker cards or whatever, I can never find the red, ever. I can never find red. So I made sure I got 2 of these, so I'd have red. There's also white and green, which I will use for Christmas. Then they had this one that has red, confetti, and these are stickable leaves right here. They're leaves, and you can put little gems on them if you want. But it has that kind for the red, and then it has an assortment of the red, green, and the white. Got that. Then, not really a fan of these blue snowflakes, so I have a friend who I know I'm going to give them to, and she will love them. But there's some more white confetti, and then there was some silver. Oh, I got 3 of these. Sorry, not 2, 3. Then I always get the Faux Snow because I have a shelf in my kitchen that is by a window above the sink, and then there's a window and a ledge. And I always decorate that ledge, and for winter I always put this like snow around it. That's what I use it for. I love it. Then I was able to pick up metal words in peace, joy, and believe. Whoops, I can show you that way. Peace, joy, and believe. But they're the metal. Super great. In fact, that's what this one is. This, welcome, that was one of the metal ones that said, I think it was welcome, gather, and something else. And we used the welcome because I want to put that on my door. All right. What else? Oh, these were super cute. Felt snowflakes. They have little shimmery silver pieces in the middle. I thought those would be fun on a project or in a scrapbook. And I was able to get these wooden snowflakes. I don't know if I'll use it as an ornament per se, but I think I'm going to put them on a project of some kind. And you get 5 pieces of the snowflakes. Then they have these awesome Christmas balls, I guess, that I'm going to paint and make glittery and use them on a project. No, I don't know what project, but I know there will be a project. Okay, this one is, these say Mary, and there's a little deer on the end. So I thought that would be super cute to do. And like the plaid, the red, I don't know what the red and black is called again. It's not the buffalo, is it buffalo plaid? And the black and white is, I don't know. I don't know the right names for them. But anyway, that's what I planned on doing with those. And then these were absolutely fantastic. They're the truck with the Christmas tree, and you get 5 of them. So I bought a couple for me, and I bought a couple for my friend, and that was all they had there, so I took them all. Couldn't help it. Couldn't help it. Then they had these cute little, you get 8 of these cute little mini trees. These are so cute. And they have the ornaments that you can put stuff in, like the domes. So if you wanted to put some trees in there and make a little scene, you most certainly could. Okay, got the leaves. And then I found this Real Techniques base. It's a cushion sponge. I don't think I'm going to use it for my face. I think I'm going to use it for my stamping, my inking of edges. I just thought it'd be kind of neat. Let's see if I can get it out, what it feels like. Oh wow, it's really nice. It's very, very super soft. And it says Real Techniques. But yeah, I'm probably going to keep it in my craft room and use it for, boy, it's really nice. For inking my edges. Then, this is funny. My nail lady isn't back. She had twins. So she's not coming back for quite a while. So, through COVID, I had to take my nails off by myself. And I'm not getting them put back on until my lady is back. Because Natalie is the best at what she does. She is on Francis, for people that live in Washington, Spokane. She's on Francis across from Dairy Queen. And it's called Spa Jonathan, and it's amazing. Love that place. Love, love. But my Natalie isn't there yet, so I'm going to wait till she comes. Anyway, that was a long intro for, this is a, to hold your nail polish while you paint. I'm not painting my own nails because I just know they're not going to turn out well. And I have these Jamberry nails, I think they're called, that I need to try, which I haven't done yet either because those scare me too. So I was wondering if this would hold or keep my glue. Oh, I never get it out. It would. It would hold my glue. I don't know. I'm going to use this crafting somehow. I don't know how yet because I have this that holds my little glue bottle. I got this off of Etsy. I don't know where. I don't know what site. But they're fun. Yeah, this I don't know. I'm going to keep something in there. I just don't know what yet. Any ideas? I'm open to ideas. And then, this is weird too. I saw this, okay? I know that it's Weatherstrip seal, but I also wondered if, you know how Dollar Tree has this foam tape, right? I was wondering if this would work as foam tape. Oh, I think it will, but the only thing being that you have to put glue on this side. But I think it'd be nice because sometimes I have long stretches of things, and sometimes I'll use all this up in like a second. So I'm going to give that a try and see how it works. Then, oh, I almost forgot these. These were super fun. These are decorative mesh. I don't make the wreaths or anything like that, like they show on here, but I thought it might be fun to use this on some scrapbook pages maybe, or to use it as like ribbon through a tag. Just adds a little something, something. I really just love it. Alright, that is my haul. I know it's been a while since I've been on, just been crazy busy, you know, life. Oh, gets ahead of you. I didn't show the ribbon. Sorry. I'm losing my mind. I got this awesome ribbon that is red and has the snowflakes on it, and you get 9 feet. This I bought, you get 12 feet, and it's just some shimmery white ribbon. This was so pretty with the poinsettias and the leaves. I thought that was super cute. And this is 9 feet. They had, of course, they had the truck for the fall. They have the truck for the winter. So I had to get that. And that is also 9 feet. They also have this really cute, the elves made me do it. It just keeps saying, the elves, there's some little shoes. The elves made me do it. I thought that'd be cute. Either as a ribbon through a tag or to put across a tag at the bottom of it. I thought that'd be cute. And then they had, of course, this, oh, I love this, the black and red with the white snowflakes on it. So yeah, I went in, I shopped for myself, I shopped for my friend Jen. Basically, she got duplicates of basically almost everything I got. We look out for each other that way. We're like, oh, did you see this? Oh, did you do that? So yeah. So I hope everybody is well, and I hope that you're all geared up for back to school. I can't imagine during this COVID teaching your children at home. God bless you parents that can do that. You know, God bless our teachers. I can't imagine. That would be just so hard. And I don't know if I have viewers from California, but I hope your fires are doing better. Our family's been praying for that every day to keep you all safe. And that's about it. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.